Hello, and welcome to day 35 of learning ML from ChatGPT. So let's get started. So in today's lesson, we're just going to be doing our final project. So my idea for the final project is a classifier between dogs and cats. So let's get started. So I'm just going to copy paste the code from day 11, which is where we introduce CNNs. Okay, so but I'm just going to change the code. So first of all, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just make this an array. I'm going to, instead of doing .add, like doing this continuously, I'm just going to change it so it's like this. So we're going to have the first convolution 2D layer, then we're going to have a max pooling layer. Then we're going to have another convolutional layer and another max pooling layer. So just a reminder, max pooling layers are the ones that reduce the spatial dimensions, and the convolutional are like basically they have kernels and filters. So kernel is like, say you can have a 303 kernel, and it's a sliding window approach. It goes across the image, and we have 32 of them. So that are looking out for different things. So we create in total 32 feature maps. Then we do it again for 64 feature maps, but the dimensions will just be reduced. Okay, so then I'm gonna copy paste the convolution 2 layer, then the flatten layer. We'll change a bit of this later in order to improve our performance. Oops. So we're going to flatten the layer, and then we're going to have the ReLU layer, and the final dense layer. But we're not going to use softmax. First of all, we're going to use sigmoid, and we're going to have one output. Okay, so that's our model here. I'm just going to remove these things that we don't need. Okay, and instead, I'm not going to use the CVAR10 dataset. I'm going to use a dog and cat dataset. So I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to find an appropriate dog and cat dataset. So please rewrite this code so that instead of using the CVAR10 dataset, it will use a cat and dog dataset. Okay. Okay, let's see if it manages to do this. Okay. Will it do it? Seems like it. Let's see. Okay, and I've also copy pasted the whole chat, and I'll probably paste it in like a Godbot link or something that's easy, or maybe I'll upload it as a GitHub file. Okay, so to rewrite the code for using cats and dogs. Okay. Oh, why is it done like that? What are we doing here? Oh, this is the data augmentation. Oh, only rescaling. I'm just gonna look up. I'm just gonna ask it, are there any binary classification data sets built into image classification data sets built into TensorFlow/Keras? Okay, and one more thing I need to do is binary cross entropy instead of sparse categorical, because we're not doing multi-class classification. So binary cross entropy. Okay, let's see if ChatGPT has generated a response.
Okay, are there any binary image classification datasets built into TensorFlow or Keras? And obviously, for some reason it's not working. So I'm pretty sure the rest is fine here. Oh wait, no. Oops, I changed it on this one. Okay, I'm supposed to change it on this one. So binary cross entropy. Okay, and yeah, all we've got to do is changing guessing the data. If ChatGPT doesn't work, we may have to come back to this. Okay, let's see. Alright, maybe because my laptop's not charged, plugged in or something, but it looks like it is. Not sure why. Yes, TensorFlow is built in. Okay, let's see what this is. To be honest, I don't remember doing any. Because the datasets we used are the CFR10 dataset. Pretty much the only image one that I can remember, really. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'm just gonna go to the Copilot on Bing. It should hopefully generate a fast response. So please, wait, I'm just gonna copy. Oh, it's still okay. Here we go. Hopefully, Copilot will perform better. And it's also got access to the web, which is one thing that ChatGPT doesn't have. Okay. Fashion MNIST. Oh, so we do have cat versus dogs. Okay, so then I'm going to do copy paste the ChatGPT code. Okay. Cat and dog dataset that is built into TensorFlow / Keras. Please only provide me with this code as I have the later model created. I just need the data. And this should be clear enough, but ChatGPT does have the tendency to hallucinate. Okay. And TensorFlow datasets. Okay. Okay, now please add to this code so that it has, wait, what did we call it in here? We called it, yeah, X test, Y test, wait, capital underscore, X test, X train, Y test, Y train. Okay, let's see if it does this. And it's much faster, this model, because it's got less parameters. Okay, dot map, convert, dataset numpy arrays. Okay, that should be it, is it? Okay, now we're just going to copy paste this. And I'm going to paste this in here. I'm just going to delete this line. Okay, and now let's see if this will work. If it doesn't, I'll just ask ChatGPT to fix the code.
We're just connecting to the Google Cloud database at the minute. Let's see. Okay. So here we're just splitting 80% train, 20% test. Okay, let's see. Alright, okay, we're just importing TensorFlow at the minute, and then we're now importing datasets. Now we're loading the information for the dataset, which you can see with this green arrow. Okay, so it's going to split 20% train, 20% test, 80% train. And we're going to shuffle the files so that it doesn't like learn any of the noise. For instance, if we had all dogs, then all cats, like it would learn, like it wouldn't learn the appropriate things it's supposed to learn. Like it's supposed to just learn. Oh gosh, we're only 12%. Okay, this might take a while. 22%, 23%. Okay, generating train samples. Okay, this will take a while. Okay, for now I'm just going to, so now please create a summary, in-depth summary of the course. Okay, this memory may not have been updated though, and it's still a bit laggy, but anyway. Okay, it's nearly 80%. No, it's not. Oh, will it do it? Okay, so anyway, it just, yeah, it's hard when you got such a big page, so I'm just going to, okay, so, sorry about that, let's see. Okay, it started generating. Course summary, let's go. 28-day programming. Okay, this 28-day course provides a deep dive into core topics in machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, and computer vision, CV, emphasizing practical, hands-on coding examples. By the end of the course, participants gain expertise in building, training, and deploying advanced models for real-world applications. And we'll see, like here. Oh, images were corrupted and skipped. Okay, well, that's the problem with the dataset, I suppose, but can't really be helped. Session crashed. Okay, so we don't have enough RAM at the minute, which is a problem. So yeah, I'll just leave our code for now, and I'll go back to the just the summary. Okay, it's basically just showing that transformers, Simon. Okay, did we use sequence to sequence encoder? I think it's hallucinating. We did use hierarchical clustering. Yep, we used PCE, grid search, random search, Bayesian optimization with like Q tables, model deployment, explainability, scaling ML models, so multi-GPU training. And then we had MLP, BERT, and GPT. In this case, we used BERT, a pre-trained model, which we fine-tuned. And then advanced computer vision, so we use YOLO, we only look once. And then time series forecasting, which is we use LSTMs, and it's very good for finance. For example, predicting stock prices. So Minimax algorithm for AI and AI for tic-tac-toe. Concepts Minimax algorithm for decision making in games, game trees. Good examples implement a text-based tic-tac-toe game with a Minimax AI player. Assignment build tic-tac-toe game using Minimax and play against the AI. So we did this yesterday in an extra video. Skills game. Practical experience using TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Scikit-learn. Mastery in building, tuning, and deploying machine learning models. Expertise in deep learning models for computer vision and NLP tasks, natural language processing. knowledge of advanced topics such as reinforcement learning, GANs, and transformers. This comprehensive course gives you a strong foundation and equips you with the practical knowledge to handle a wide variety of real-world machine learning and deep learning problems. Okay, great. Okay, so now that I've completed the course, where should I go? Wait, I'm just gonna ask. So please give me lesson 28, day 28. So that it makes sure that I finished it here. Okay, so day 28, it's finally come here. Day 29, sorry. Oops, okay, I'm just gonna copy. We're just gonna quickly do day 28. Sorry, day 29 and day 30. Okay. If it manages to load. As you can see here, my final project was to create. Oh wait. Oh no, sorry. We still had the CFAR 10 data set. Okay, maybe that was part of the trouble. Okay, I'm gonna run it again. Yeah, just importing TensorFlow again. Now let's see ChatGPT. Okay, finally. Okay, day 29, GPT 4.0. So annoying when it's such a large page. And I'll ask it the future steps from here after we've completed these lessons. Okay, GPT 4.0. Even though I'm clicking it, it's not responding. Okay, let's see. Okay, session crashed after I used all the RAM. Yeah, that's unfortunate. There's trouble with Google Cloud though. Limited RAM available. Okay, this may be because my laptop charger. Oh yeah, I see. Sorry, this might be part of the issue because my laptop charger wasn't plugged. Okay. Okay, nice. We're on the lesson. Okay, so day 29, final project. Concepts, project selection and problem definition. The final project is accumulation of everything learned for the course of the next 2 lessons. You'll build a complete project from start to finish. Today we'll focus on selecting a project that aligns with your interests, defining the problem you're aiming to solve, and laying the foundation for your solution. Okay. So identify an area of interest, explore real world problems. Okay, image classification, detect objects or classify animals, medical images, etc. Time series forecasting, predict stock prices, energy consumption, or weather trends. Text processing with chatbot, sentiment analyzer. Oops. Why's it doing that again? I don't know. Okay, image classification, classify objects and real world images. Plan your approach to determine how you pre-process the data. Identify CNN for images, LSTM for time series, transformers for NLP. Okay, consider what evaluation metrics you will use to assess performance, data selection. So image classifier, Kaggle's cats versus dogs dataset, text classification, IMBD, movie reviews and time series forecasting, Yahoo Finance stock prices, and reinforcement learning, OpenAI gym environments. So assignment. Clearly state the problem I will be solving is classifying between dogs and cats. I will use the dogs and cats data set built into the TensorFlow library. I will use CNN. Okay, there's crucial for setting the foundation of planning the project, defining the project clearly, and planning a feasible approach will guide you through successful implementation in the following days. Okay, now I'm just going to copy paste day 30. Okay. Now please give me day 30's lesson. Okay, let's see if this works. Okay. I've sent it to the AI and it should be generating. But it's not. GPT-4o. Okay, I'll see if this one. No, the RAM was. Okay. Okay, now I'll just try and see if I can switch the model. Great for most tasks, it says. Okay, I just try reloading the page and see if this works. Okay, it's my work. Okay. Okay, it says memory updated. Okay, I'm gonna ask it to respond. If it loads, I'm just gonna refresh it one more time. Yeah, oh, it just gave me day 30 lesson just as I refresh the page, which is annoying. Okay. Try again, GPT-4o. Let's see. Does take a while. Oh, is it generating? Should be, hopefully. Very updated. It's not doing anything. Oh. Okay, I'll wait for it. Okay, it's not responding. How? Okay, I might have to just maybe come back to it tomorrow or something, as it's definitely not loading at the minute. Okay, yeah, I think I'll just have to leave it to tomorrow, so I'll carry on to day 36. Yeah. Okay, so I just want to say thank you for all the support on this like machine learning curriculum. I've gained to now 134 subscribers as of recording this video. So yeah, thank you for watching the videos, and I've really enjoyed learning about machine learning. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye.